Okay, this is another rotator video by Rotors by Scott. This is Log Truckers G-1000SDX. Now before, this thing would not move the needle. Now it does. This is the little motor that turns the belt, that turns everything else, and ends up turning the needle. Now you take this cover off, well, the top cover, then you take the front cover off, and you can see that little wheel that's got the belt on it. And what I did was take just a plain old pencil and go in there and jump start that pulley, and it would work. So that tells me that that motor's got a bad spot in it. So I took it all apart, put a used one in it. Bear with me here. It's mounted right there where those two little holes are, and the big hole, that's where the motor mounts. You got to take that all apart. And if you're real careful and these gears don't turn on you, then all you got to do is put the motor in there, put the two little M3 screws in it, put the little belt back on it, put it all back together. And I did put a light in it. Now the only thing I could find was some incandescent lights. There's a bag of them right here. And it's 10 to 12 volt AC, so you can't put a LED light in it like you can a meter light in a radio, because you ain't got no positive or negative. And I never found any AC LED lights, so, but that's it. And this has got a wacky preset on it, and I've tried adjusting this thing. That's set for pretty damn close to 0. That should be 0 right there. It should be at north. It'll go just a little shy of it, but you know, it is what it is. Some of these start off at 0 and go all the way up, so you have to get the right calibration information. So I don't know why they changed it, but they did. And it's really wackos whenever you put it on north. Well, it is north centering, so each end goes to south. So if you have it so each end goes to north, it's gonna screw up your presets, but it is what it is. Gotta love Yaesu. Anyway, log trucker, this will all be set up. Now, another dead giveaway whenever you got a bad motor is I'll unplug this thing and watch where that needle goes. See, it runs all the way around till around in there, all by itself, without a rotator hooked up. So if you've got one of these things and you plug it in and the needle doesn't move down to there, you got a bad meter. I also put another meter bezel on it I had. I just so happen to have a couple of these that are unrepairable. So anyway, there you go. And back into the box of parts that thing goes. A lot of shit to this thing. Got one board here, Got another board over here with all the switches on it. Well, that's something else. Here's the meter face. That was a 800, but same thing. Transformer. Yep. Anyway, back to the project at hand. There I am. Anyway, log trucker, I hope you like it. Bada boom, bada beam.